What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. It's New Money Making Mondays. This site for you that I'm bringing to you is called MyPoints. Okay, the link will be in the description. I'm going to keep this video kind of short to show you what I do because it's fairly simple as far as my routine on here, what they have. All right, so first thing I do is look at surveys. And from time to time, you'll see they offer you bonus points on survey. You see here, it's 10-minute survey at the top. You get 128 points, but you get 26 bonus points. You see what I'm saying? So you just basically scroll down and just look at all the surveys they have. Of the ones that you don't qualify for, you do get not bonus points, but disqualification points. So keep that in mind. Whenever you're offered disqualification points, it's important that you go through and try all of them. That's the best way for your money to really add up. And you see here they give you bonus points on each survey. Now that's not all the time, but it's from time to time. So you just got to kind of check that regularly. Look at this site, often. If you go over here to the right, earn 5 points for every 10 questions. That's basically your profile survey. That changes from time to time. They'll constantly ask you that. So I need to get, on that as well. But you see here my points, 270. You know what I'm saying? So I've been using this site for a minute now. Show you something else they have on this site. Videos. You basically just, they have different playlists. You basically just click on the playlist and let the videos run. Just that simple. Like right here, let me show you what they have in Crave, Explore. Those where you kind of just click on the video, and it's like after every video plays on the playlist, you have to click to the next one. That's what you do on those. But if you scroll down even further, they actually have playlists. You see here, 56 minutes for 60 points. Basically, you're just letting the playlist run. You don't have to do anything with it. When it's over, you'll get credited the points. Just that simple. You know what I'm saying? You see here, there are lots of them. You can do one each day. So all these videos that they have, you know what I'm saying? It's a lot of them, y'all. Just go through and play as many as you can. And like I said, you don't have to do anything with it. Just let the videos play. You let it play in the background or whatever you want to do. But it's a lot of points just in the video section alone, okay? So like I'm telling you, I'm doing surveys, doing all of them because I'm getting these qualification points. Even if I don't qualify and they're showing bonus points, then I'm going to videos. Also, they have coupon codes, for things that you can get paid for. Let me show you some of the deals that they have. You can get paid for these, like basically offers that you can do. Look, sign up for a PayPal cash card, 750 points. You know what I'm saying? You can look down at all the different offers that they have. You know what I'm saying? Find out what interests you and go for it. And you see here down at the bottom, they have some offer walls. I like to do Offer Turo, Ad Gym, and Peanut Labs. Peanut Labs is one of my favorite survey providers. So, go through, bang out a few of those. They're easy to qualify for. So just, keep that in mind as far as your routine. And also, you can get paid to shop. And you see they have all store, in store, things like that. I just click on all stores. And it just shows you what you can get. Like a lot of cashback offers on here. You know what I'm saying? It just shows you the store and how many points you can earn. Look, 2 points per dollar that you spend. Lots of different places. You see here they have alphabets. You can kind of, pick which, kind of store you want. What store that they have. And you can kind of get, cashback points. Basically, when you're doing this, okay, you're going to click on earn points. And it'll show you what you have to do in order to, get this. A lot of times what it is, like if I go here and I spend, this is probably, let's say for instance, this is an in-store deal. I would scan my receipt, and that's basically what you're doing. So they know how many points to give you, or they know how much you spent and things like that. All right. So I just want to keep this video fairly short because it's, it's very simple, straightforward. You know what I'm saying? Like I told you, you go through on the surveys, you do as many of those as you can. You play some videos in the background, let your playlist run, and check out the deals in the shop. Things that you typically would buy anyway. You can get paid for it if you actually go through on these sites and do that. All right. So, like I said, the link to this site will be in the description. Sign up so you can get a bonus. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me so I can help you in making this money. All right. So sign up today, confirm your account, email, all that kind of good stuff. That way you're fully verified and you can make, the most money possible with this site. All right. So That's what it's about. If you want to really put the money into your PayPal account, into your Amazon account, and get these different gift cards, it's very important that you just, grind out on these sites. Do all your surveys, do your videos, shop deals, whatever you can find. All right. So let me go over here to redeem points to just show you the redeem section. Different things they have. A lot of different gift cards that you can sign up for, what you can get for your points. For those of you who are interested in PayPal, it's all the way at the bottom. They have everything in alphabetical order. Look at PayPal right here. It starts out at $25. Okay, like, I know it might seem high, but when you see the deals and the offers that I was showing you and those video points and the bonus points that they give you, it really adds up. So it's important that you really grind out on these sites, especially this one. All right, so they have other ones that you saw. Just kind of go back here. Different gift cards that are lower for that, like Burger King here. Look, 870 points, and that's equivalent to $5. So they have lower gift cards you can get. It's just, I know a lot of people are interested in PayPal, so that's why I kind of wanted to show you the PayPal one. But a lot of times when you get PayPal money, what do? Spend it on, fast food, some of these places that you already see here. So you can just go ahead and get that and kind of cut the chase. For those of you who like to fly out, look, Delta, you know what I'm saying? Like, those plane tickets are expensive, so you can kind of help yourself in getting some of these gift cards. But that's kind of what I want to show you in the redeem section. Lots of different gift cards you can get. They have PayPal, just whatever interests you. Just make sure you just follow my routine as far as the surveys, the videos, and look at the deals and shop section, because they have some offers down there as well with the Peanut Labs and offer Turbo, things like that. So sign up today. Like I said, confirm your email, confirm your whole account. Sign up with the link in the description. That's very important, so I can be able to help you if you have any questions, and so you're offered as many opportunities to make money as you can. All right, so sign up today, and remember, every penny counts.